I'm going to tell you how to make money fast. I'll make this quick because I know you want to get out there and fill the bank account. First thing you need to do, get a PayPal account. If you don't have one already, I mean it's 2019, you probably should. So go ahead and get on PayPal, sign up for a PayPal account. Don't forget what your email address is that you use to sign up. You're going to need that. Second thing you're going to need to do, go into the App Store, whichever App Store you have, and you're going to download 4 different apps. You're going to download Observa. You're going to download Easy Shift. You're going to download Gigwalk, and you're going to download Field Agent. 4 apps. That's it. That's all you need to download. Alright, you got your 4 apps downloaded. Now you need to get in there and sign up. This is where it's going to ask you for your PayPal email address. Hope you remembered it. Put that in there. That's how they're going to pay you. Going into some of these apps, you're going to open them up and you're going to see the opportunities near you. The apps are going to use your phone's location to figure out where you're at and the area that the shifts are available for you to do. You're going to have an option to look at a map. That's the best way to do it. Just look at the map, pick whichever's closest to you first, just to try it out. I'm going to go through here, I'm going to open this up, I'm going to look at the map, I'm going to pick something fairly close to where I'm at right now. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go ahead and hit the reserve button, and then that shift is reserved for me. Now there's instructions through this whole thing about what you need to do. Once you reserve it, you'll be able to open that back up and you'll be able to see what pictures exactly it wants you to take. Now it can range from 2 pictures to 30 pictures. There's a lot. The more pictures you have to take, the more you're going to get paid. Alright, so you went in, you reserved your shift, you took your pictures, you submitted your shift, you're done. Now you're just waiting to get paid. So, here's the thing about getting paid. Observa is going to pay you the fastest, but the opportunities with Observa are few and far between. You really have to look first thing in the morning, every day. Set up the notifications so it'll tell you when there's a large amount of opportunities near you. They come in bulk, and just get them while you can. Plan on spending a whole day. Just go out and hit every single one that you can get to. One time I made $200 in a day just off of Observa, so try that. They are going to pay you same day, so that is the benefit of using Observa. The other one's Easy Shift. A lot of opportunities with Easy Shift, but they take 2 or 3 days to pay you because they go through this process of approving your shift, making sure the pictures are the ones they wanted, and then you get paid. There's also a lot of opportunities with Gigwalk, but the problem with Gigwalk is it takes about a week to get paid, so it's not as fast as we would like. Field Agent's going to take about a week to pay you as well. A lot of opportunities with them, and they've got different things that you can do, like you can earn points for tickets to be put into, I don't know, raffles, whatever. Field Agent's kind of like a backup if I don't have anything else available on the other 3 apps. So try that one out. Tell me what you think about that one. I'm not a huge fan of it myself, but I figured I'd include it because it is an opportunity to make money. It's all about reliability when you're looking for these apps. It's hard to find apps that you know you're actually going to get paid from. Like, are you putting in all this work and you're not actually going to see anything put into your PayPal account from that? So these 4 apps that I've listed, for sure you're going to get paid from them. Just do the work. To sum it all up, set up your PayPal account, download the 4 apps, go do a shift, submit the shift, get paid. Now, remember, Observa is the best, but your opportunities are limited. Easy Shift's the second best. They're going to pay you fairly quickly, and the opportunities are there. Easy Shift, Observa, Gigwalk, Field Agent. Try them out. Tell me what you think. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, or you just want to follow us on our adventures, hit the subscribe button. Alright, now you know everything you need to know. Get out there and make yourself some money. Go fill up that gas tank so you can join us on our next adventure. We'll see you next time.